Hello from Bargain Bounty Hunter. Today I'm going to be opening and reviewing my safety glasses from HOHENS. Let's get to it. Okay, so today I'm going to be opening and trying on these safety glasses. They are specifically designed for women, and as of today I checked, there are 9 different styles in the shape that I got. They range from $11.69 to $12.99, or there's 4 other styles that you can look at on the store on Amazon that are a little bit bigger rim. These ones are a little bit smaller, as you'll see, and I got the leopard style. So there was a bunch of cute ones and some ones that were a little more plain, which not everybody likes leopard, but I do. So I'm gonna be opening these. Pop it with my nail. We'll see how they are. They got 4.3 out of 5 stars. So the nice thing is they said they come with a cloth, they come with a bag, and they come with a mini screwdriver kit. So that's pretty nice, especially for the price. So let's get these out and open them up and see how it is. Okay. Good packaging. Okay, so here are the extras. I think this is the bag. Yeah, that's nice. Nice little bag you can keep it in. And a cleaning cloth. So that's pretty cool. And then, as promised, here is the mini screwdriver kit for you. It's got a Phillips head and a flat head on this side. So that's pretty cool. And it comes with a keychain, so you can actually keep this if you have regular glasses too. Okay, so let's check these out. Like I said, these were a smaller style than some of the other ones that they offer. Already I can tell I really like them. I'm anxious to try them on. So they do say that they are ANSI certified. It's ANSI Z87.1, which is kind of the industry standard that most companies will require. I know that my company does require that if you are, for any kind of PPE that we have to wear, has to be ANSI certified. So I'm going to be checking these for the stamp for that. They say that they're 100% UV blocking, they're good for chemical splash or, pretty much anything splash. Blue light protective. And they say that they're anti-fog, so a little bit later I'm gonna grab a mask and just try that out. So let's try these on. They look pretty nice. I'm gonna check for the ANSI stamp to see if I see that anywhere. Okay, I don't think I see the stamp, but you can definitely contact the manufacturer. Maybe I'm just not seeing where it is, but you can definitely contact the manufacturer to see if they've got that certification for you. So I'm gonna try these on. They fit pretty nice. Let me look in here. They're very cute. I do like them. And for someone that has to wear safety glasses, I think I'm gonna like having these. Because, sometimes you want it a little dressier. So yeah, they feel pretty good. They talk about 45-degree angle to see at, and I can definitely see it looks good. I think I'm gonna have good peripheral vision on this. And the side shields are definitely a plus here to have. So they do brag a 30-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty against damage. So definitely take advantage of that if you get hit with something. Yeah, these are really cute. I really like these. And if for some reason I can't get the ANSI certification, well, I'll just use them around the house because they are pretty cute. They look like regular glasses. Besides the side shields, you wouldn't really notice the difference. I like them. And just so I didn't forget, I grabbed a mask. I know that there are certain industries that need to wear these, or, you know, during hard times, sometimes we need to wear these. So far so good. I'm not getting any kind of fog. Maybe if I tried them outside though, but I feel like even at work, if I'm wearing safety glasses and I've got any bit of air that flows through the top, I'm immediately getting fog, and I'm doing this the whole time, but I don't need to do that with these. So that's pretty cool. So look for the link in the description about where to buy these. And again, they have a few different styles. The other rims went probably about this low. So if you wanted something a little bit bigger, I have it probably doesn't look it, but I have a little bit of a small face when it comes to glasses, so sometimes I have to go shop in the kids section. But if you look in the description on their store on Amazon, you can also see all the measurements, so you can definitely check that out to see which one will fit your face better. So again, coming from Bargain Bounty Hunter, I hope you enjoy. I like my new HOHENS glasses. I'm excited to wear them.